All right, good morning from Tacoma. This is Sean with Clearly Windows. I'm here with Ben, and we're working in North Tacoma today. And today we've got a project on our hands. We're gonna clean out the gutters, and we're going to treat this roof with zinc. Normally we use a solution, a soft wash solution on the roof to kill the moss, but this particular client would like zinc, so we're going to use a zinc product on the roof. And when it's all said and done, it's going to be there's going to be a lot of white up there, and that basically kills the moss. So we'll get started. All that debris gets put into piles. Hardest part to clean is around the corners, and then sometimes it's down here at the downspout level. So much faster to do this type of work from the roof line rather than move a ladder 6 or 8 feet and working from side to side. So it's good that he's got his safety harness and he's got the rope. He's able to work on the roof, and you can see this pitch of this roof isn't too bad. Over here it's a little bit steeper. So we do this all the time. All right, you can see Ben. He was in the back of the house, over the back right corner over there just a few minutes ago, and he's moving right along. He's going to have this wrapped up here pretty quick, and then he's going to, we'll get a little bit of video of the zinc application, and then when he's all finished, we'll get another wrap-up video going here. But as you can see, he's just scooping stuff into piles, and then he'll get everything into the bucket. Okay, I'm here with Ben. Ben, what are we doing today?
We're going to be zinking the roof today.
All right, zinking the roof. What does the zinc do?
It will sit on the roof, and then when the moisture and air comes by, it'll trickle it down, killing any of the moss that's on the roof.
Excellent. Thank you.
So when applying zinc to a roof line, the one thing you don't want to do is you do not want it to clump up like that. If it clumps up like that, it's going to harden. The rain will get it, it'll harden and basically become a rock and not want to come off the roof. And it'll just be stuck here. So don't do that. Instead, you want it to be spread lightly and thinly across the whole roof, so then when it rains, it will get wet and trickle down without hardening from the water.
All right, another happy customer here. We've finished this job, and the zinc's been applied. All we need to do now is get finished getting wrapped up and get on out of here. So again, this is Sean from Clearly Windows, and if you have gutter cleaning needs or moss treatment needs, we would love to help you out with that. So you can give us a call at our office, 253-952-6444. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like them, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.